Let's talk about the most powerful three-letter word that you can bring into your life today that's going to make lasting impact on your ability to achieve the results that you're looking for. My name is Robin Richards, and I am your wellness teacher here at Robin's Wellnest. And that three-letter word, it's the word yet. Three simple letters, Y-E-T, become the foundation for a growth mindset. You see, a growth mindset, it does exactly what the name implies. It allows you to grow. It gives you permission to change. There's one thing in life that you can control, and that is actually yourself. Unfortunately, by default, yourself doesn't want to change. It's pre-programmed to stay safe and to be fixed or stuck in the things you've told yourself, or perhaps you even were raised being told. But introducing that one three-letter word, Y-E-T, yet, is a simple way to empower yourself for the potential of your future. When I was teaching math in public schools is when I first was introduced to Carol Dweck's work on growth mindset and brought the word yet into my classroom. So when students would say things like, "I don't get this," I would have them insert the word yet at the end. And you could see the energetic shift in their bodies as they allowed themselves permission to not understand something, but also permission to be able to learn it in the future. That power of the word yet continued to grow when I was working with adults as an instructional coach, helping teachers to teach. And then further, now, as I empower students with wellness that works for a lifetime, all based on inner fitness like mindset and simple nutrition. So try it. Try using the word yet and notice the shifts that begin to emerge and the potential that you begin to unlock. Now, if you want to strengthen your inner fitness by building your growth mindset with even more tools and deepening this topic, join me in my wellness workshop, How to Build Lifelong Wellness with a Growth Mindset. We go deeper, and I also include a very powerful guided meditation that will empower you beyond the workshop with your growth mindset. You can see the link below for my current workshop offerings. The beauty in attending live is that afterwards, we turn off the recording and we connect, and you even can get some one-on-one coaching during that time. But all of the workshops are recorded. So email me directly if this is past the live recording of How to Build Lifelong Wellness with a Growth Mindset, and I'll send you a copy directly to you so that you can be building upon the word yet and your growth mindset today.